Hello guys, welcome to my channel. uh, in this video I'll show you how to install valve keepers. So let me show you what are the valve keepers. You see these are valve keepers. The function of these valve keepers, or in other words they say these are called cotter valves. Okay, so the function of these valve keepers is to keep the valve in its place. Okay, so without wasting time, let me show you how to install these valve keepers, because these are the things that are holding the valve in one place. Okay, so I've already put the valve inside. This is a 200 cc cylinder head. This is an intake and exhaust valve. Okay, so I've already inserted the valves. So here, once the valve is in, this comes in here first, because this washer is going to hold the springs, valve springs. Okay, take the first spring, take the second spring. Okay, take another washer in here like this. Let me show you. Now take these cotter valves, once it's ready in its place, you have to push this washer in. You have to beat, you have to use a bit of force. Okay, so press, keep on pressing them until the valve sits in its place. So that's it, the valve keeper is already in its place. Oh sorry, have to still push, keep on pushing till they're in its place. So that's it. You see, because one it's installed properly, the valve won't move and it will work according to the camshaft timing. Okay, so that's it. So if you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe to my channel.